Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to take a look at the step-by-step guide to healing leaky gut. Perhaps you've heard the term leaky gut, or wondered if it's contributing to your health challenges, especially if you're managing autoimmune issues. You might be eating healthy, taking supplements, and still feel like something is off. This isn't just a coincidence. Disruptions in the gut microbiome can lead to a compromised intestinal barrier, often referred to as leaky gut. And when that barrier is compromised, it can allow unwanted particles to enter the bloodstream, potentially sparking inflammation and overactivity in your immune system. This is particularly troublesome for individuals with autoimmune conditions. Many people mistakenly believe that focusing solely on external treatments will resolve these internal imbalances. But research, including insights from experts like Joseph Pizzorno and the Sonnenbergs, emphasizes that what you feed your gut microorganisms is crucial, sometimes as important as any medication. Your gut is a dynamic ecosystem. When it's out of balance, the immune system can become overactive or underactive. Imagine your gut lining as a wall that regulates what gets absorbed into your bloodstream. When it's compromised, it's like that wall has gaps, triggering inflammation and flare-ups. Healing this wall requires a strategic approach. It's not just about avoiding bad foods, it's about actively supporting the repair process. So, how do you address this compromised intestinal barrier? How do you stop unwanted particles from triggering inflammation and overactivity in your immune system? Experts highlight the importance of supporting the intestinal barrier with specific nutrients. Certain amino acids act like the mortar between bricks, vital for structural integrity. Anti-inflammatory foods work to calm the immune response and promote healing. And managing stress is surprisingly vital, as chronic stress can alter the gut environment, making it difficult for beneficial bacteria to flourish. Sharing it with a friend who might also benefit would be greatly appreciated. And if you're interested in more science-backed strategies for your well-being, we'd love for you to subscribe. Restoring your gut might seem overwhelming, like renovating a whole home, but it can be broken down into manageable parts. It involves evaluating your diet, supporting the intestinal barrier with specific nutrients, reducing stress, and monitoring your progress. However, knowing about these steps is different from having a clear, actionable plan to implement them effectively. You need to understand which nutrients to prioritize, which foods are truly anti-inflammatory powerhouses, and how to integrate stress reduction techniques seamlessly into your life. If you're ready to go beyond just understanding the problem of leaky gut and want a structured process to identify inflammatory triggers and integrate healing nutrients and foods to actively rebuild and fortify your intestinal lining, there's a comprehensive framework waiting for you. It's about creating an environment conducive to repair and creating a stable, healthy gut environment. To truly restore balance and support your gut's natural healing processes, a multifaceted, practical approach is necessary. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about healing leaky gut and gaining practical insights into the science behind the intestinal barrier, you can find a detailed video linked in the description below. For a complete step-by-step guide, including specific strategies and actionable plans to restore balance in your gut and reduce autoimmune flare-ups, check out the link to our course in the description as well. It's time to understand the process and actively work towards repairing your gut lining for better health. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information was helpful. Share this video to spread awareness about natural autoimmune recovery. And for all future modules on gut health and immune function, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications.